This checklist is designed as a quick reference guide to each of the steps in the 30 days to a bigger email list system. You will find each of the daily assignments below, and you can print this off and leave next to your computer as you go through the process to building your email list over the next 30 days. For complete details on each of the steps, refer to the main ebook. Day number 1 assignment. At this point you should choose the lead magnet you want to go with and start creating it. Don't put too much thought into this step. Just get started creating. You can always perfect it later. Perfectionism will lead to sure failure in business. Although you want to put out quality materials with your branding, you need to realize unless your lead magnet is done you can expect 0 new email subscribers. Let's create this lead magnet and move on to day number 2, where we will set up our autoresponder software so we can start to collect email subscribers. Day number 2 assignment. The assignment for day number 2 is to choose your autoresponder of choice. If you already have an autoresponder, you can skip to day number 3. Just go with the autoresponder you are most comfortable with. Again, do not get stuck on this step. If you are at a loss, go with Aweber, as to me they are the easiest one to work with when starting out. Day number 3 assignment. Start to write 3 to 5 follow-up emails and insert into your autoresponder sequence of choice. This is a simple but easy assignment to complete. If you have questions on what should go into a follow-up sequence, you can look back at email lists you have joined to see what they are doing in their initial emails. Day number 4 assignment. Set up your squeeze page and autoresponder web form for today's assignment. Then place the link to your squeeze page and opt-in page all over the web on the social media channels and pages that you own already. Day number 5 assignment. Research and write, or have written, one good article or blog post for publishing online. Create one good image that goes along with your article for later sharing on social media. Day number 6 assignment. Post your content piece from day number 5 to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. If you don't have an account with these websites, then you should create an account before posting. For those looking to do something a little extra today, you could start researching another blog post or article to write, as content is key to your traffic success. Day number 7 assignment. The assignment for today is simple. Create your video from the article you made in day number 5. Don't overthink it. Day number 8 assignment. Upload your video to YouTube and promote the YouTube link of your video to the main social media channels including Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Day number 9 assignment. Create a Facebook ad for your landing page to get more email subscribers on your list. Day number 10 assignment. Choose a solo ad provider, write your solo ad swipe email, and start to get traffic going to your squeeze page. You should see quite a few new subscribers after your solo ad runs. Day number 11 assignment. Find a popular forum or online community in your niche market, and set up your account. Make 10 posts in there by responding to the most popular threads in the forum. You can easily make this a daily habit and post 5 to 10 times. Even finding other forums if you want to do more work. Just imagine after 1 month of posting 10 times per day you would have 300 places that your link is displayed on a popular website focused around your market. Day number 12 assignment. Today's assignment is simple. You need to write and submit a press release online to generate exposure for your squeeze page. You can outsource this as well easily if you do not want to do it. Day number 13 assignment. Write your high-quality guest post and submit this to 5 blogs that you identified through research. Then wait to hear back, and see if your post gets picked up and you get in front of a targeted audience. Day number 14 assignment. Create your contest and start spreading the word to social media and to your current email list to get the buzz going more. Day number 15 assignment. Check your website stats to see how many visitors you have received, and how many subscribers you now have. We are at the halfway point, so you should be seeing some new email subscribers now. If you want to do something else today, you can set up a new ad or write more content. Great job! You have made it 15 days. Day number 16 assignment. Look at optimizing the title tags of your website, install an SEO plugin on your WordPress site if you don't have one already, and study more about SEO from Moz.com. Remember, SEO is a tremendous long-term source of traffic for you, and that leads to ongoing leads. Imagine getting email subscribers years after the work has been completed by you. That is possible with SEO, so it is an important thing to do. Day number 17 assignment, look for 10 blogs to comment on with a link to your squeeze page. Comment on the blogs and provide your link. Consider doing this task daily for 3 to 5 new blogs. Day number 18 assignment, create 20 to 30 new blog post or content ideas using the Portent Content Idea Generator tool, Yahoo Answers, and Facebook pages. Then use this list of ideas for your future articles to keep consistent traffic flowing. Day number 19 assignment, start and run a Facebook Live. Consider submitting the video to www.rev.com for transcription. Day number 20 assignment, write a blog post and submit to social media channels. Day number 21 assignment, set up a Facebook ad or solo ad. Your choice, but get something going to your squeeze page again. Day number 22 assignment, create a video and follow the steps from day number 7. Day number 23 assignment, write your new article for publishing on your blog or website. Day number 24 assignment, run a Facebook Live and share it on social media. Day number 25 assignment, find a coupon code and set up a paid advertisement on Bing Ads to your squeeze page. This is a great platform to test your paid advertising skills. Day number 26 assignment, choose one of your preferred traffic generation methods, and do that. Day number 27 assignment, create your infographic and start submitting that online to the key social media channels. You can even post it to your blog for additional exposure. Make sure the graphic contains a link to your squeeze page. Day number 28 assignment, run an ad swap to your email list. Find a swap partner and set up a date to do the email list swap for today. If not, you can buy a solo ad to get more email subscribers. Day number 29 assignment, write and create a new blog post or article, and share it on social media. Day number 30 assignment, look at all your results and determine which method worked the best for you, tweak your campaigns if needed, and continue moving forward. Remember this quote, money loves speed. Money will follow those who take massive and quick action. All you have to do is follow these daily assignments, and you should start to see results. Just do not give up through the process. The winners will stay the course and finish each daily assignment.